Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to show you a tour of my garden, my area, what it looks like right now. I'm going to be making a lot of changes, but I wanted to do a before so that I have something to refer back to. Oh my gosh, tripping over my son's toys. Gotta show you everything. I have a lot of subscribers that are like, oh my gosh, it's so organized back there. And I'm like, you have no idea how it is right now. It's crazy. So I wanted to just give you a little walkthrough so you could see, and you'll be able to see how it looks after, which I hope it looks a lot nicer. Wanted to let you know I am done with my credential program. Woo woo, I'm so excited. So I'm gonna be out here a lot more. Me and my son have a lot to, all the weeds we need to take out. We'll be working back here together. He loves to help me garden, so we'll be doing that. Definitely wanted to show you what it looks like right now. I'm going to be cleaning up, repotting. These I still need to pot up. Looking kind of crazy back here. So I wanted to give you the full view of what it looks like. Even my potting bench, it's just a mess down there. I need to go through everything. So I will be doing that. This is what you guys don't see during my videos, is the mess of just a mess. So I'm just gonna give you a walkthrough. This is one of my shelves. I need to behead some of these babies and try to save them. Some are not looking too well. I want to show you what they're looking like, and some of my propagation babies growing well. Just wanted to show you so you can see that it's pretty messy back here. And like these, I have to like just chop them and propagate. Don't feel bad if your garden gets messy. It happens to all of us. Things grow out of control and they need to be cut. It happens. So these, they don't look too happy right now. My string of bananas. So we'll see how they do. This I need to redo. This hanging one, it's like all crazy. And there's some that look pretty, all full. A lot of my plants are doing really well. It's just wild back here. I need to trim things. I need to redo this planter because it's just way overgrown. Those babies growing in. It's just a lot. So I need to start cutting, and I'm gonna do my giveaway soon with all the new growth on those paddle cactus pieces. Have some blooms, it looks like, coming out on there. I'm gonna pull that out and just make everything look nice again. These little baby imbricatas growing on the stems that I cut the other ones from. Some cotyledon growing in nicely. I need to pull those out. It's wild back here, so I need to come back here and organize it. I have some weeds growing in on those. I don't know what these are called. I know they're aloes, but I just think like hedgehog aloes or something like that. They might be a different kind that need to be cleaned out. Webs. Just need to come back here and show my plants some love. The tips got a little fried here. These are kind of burnt. They're closing up a little bit. It's getting a little warmer, even though today it's overcast. Just want to do a little tour of what's currently going on in my backyard so that you can see how it looks when I get everything looking nice again. That's basically what this is. These are not even in soil. I have to put those in soil. The colors on that one's beautiful. I got a new water hose, so I'm super excited about that. This I need to take out. This one. I watered my plants yesterday, so. I don't like to let the water sit on them like that in the middle. This one I need to clean up. This one's the one my grandma gave me. I need to really clean it, and I see some mealybugs on it, so I need to spray it and like really give it a nice clean. That's my Hoya up here. I think I might take that one inside. We'll see. String of pearls. This one I still don't know the name of. I think it's some kind of hybrid. Echeveria. Hybrid. This is all my shelving. I'm gonna pull a lot out and behead some. Or like a little, that's just too leggy. Those I need to just do something with because they're crazy. Then I have the ones over here. One's wearing a lot. I might have to separate it. I need to redo that pot. Lots to do back here. I'm excited to do it. It's a hot mess back here, as you can tell. So, but I'm excited to, you know, have the time to work in the backyard, to work in my garden and check on all my plants and repot them, because some are like this one and they're just crazy, like growing like crazy, but in the most crazy way. Let me show you this. It looks kind of cool, but it just looks crazy. See what happens? I actually kind of like that, but I have to put it higher somewhere so that it can trail. I actually kind of like that one, so I might leave it. So many other ones that, like, don't know what's going on with this pot. It's just all crazy. I'm going to be doing some of this today, but I thought I'd jump on here and show you before I start cleaning, because I want to end up before and after. So this is going to be like over the course of like probably a few weeks while I'm doing all the cleaning and updates. I'll of course make more videos while I'm doing it, but I just wanted to show you. That's done over there. Like, I don't even remember what kind of plant that was. I don't even know the name of it. That's a Sansevieria. Next, and yeah, that's looks like a goner. Excited, I'm done with school. I have my graduation this week, so I'm getting ready for that, and gonna be doing my giveaway soon. I'm excited for that. I'm definitely gonna be sending somebody some cuttings from my garden, which I'm excited about. I'm always excited to share, you know, things from my garden, plants, succulents from my garden. So I got these from Walmart, which is a great find. I think it was like $8 or something like that. So I had to get it. Oh yeah, $7.47. Super cute. Super bums. Yep. I have like so many things I want to do back here, but I'm just like still thinking about it. I want to plant some stuff in these areas here, but I have to see. I want to move these aeoniums where those cacti are in that one, because those can deal with more sun. These get burnt, as you can tell. The edges, I mean, it looks pretty. I like the edges kind of colored like that, but some of them just got nice and crispy. So some of them are just like dead leaves. That happens, but yeah, I'm just glad that water didn't get, there was no burnt pieces on that one. This one got more charred there. This apricot is doing well. That one I thought it was done. It had millies and I sprayed it like crazy and I just like threw it to the side. I'm like, I'm not gonna do anything with it. I feel like with my ambricotas, when I neglect them, they do well. When I try to baby them, they die on me. So that one I just threw to the side and I was like, whatever happens to it, happens to it. But it ended up, look at it, it's gorgeous. You live and you learn, and you treat your plants the way you think they want to be treated, and sometimes they do well and sometimes they die, but it's all trial and error. So this baby's so pretty. It's so funny, like all my leaves that I just throw in pots like this, they do well. I'll show you my other propagation babies over here. Like, they're doing great and they're just in there. The ones I have inside, done. Like, they didn't do well at all. So I'm not gonna have a propagation tray inside anymore unless I'm gonna well, during the summer I'll have more time, obviously, to keep an eye on them and give them a little water. These ones outside, I don't water. I might have sprayed it a little bit when I watered the rest of my plants, but I just leave them and they're fine. They get moisture from the air outside and it's sprinkled a couple times, but I don't have to worry about them. I just leave them, and the ones inside are like just all dried up and look very sad. So I'm not gonna do that anymore. You're gonna use my inside shelves for just indoor plants, which I have a lot more indoor plants now because I've been, you know, building my collection that way as well. So I'll have to do a video soon on my indoor babies so you can see them. Got a lot of leaves I need to clean off, the dead leaves there. Some dead leaves in there. I just have a lot to do, a lot of maintenance to do to make sure my babies are doing well. That's it. I just wanted to show you an update on my garden because I'm going to be doing a lot back here and I don't want it to look completely different. I wanted to show you the before so that you have something to refer back to when I show you it again. These ones are doing really well. And here, so much to do. These Aeonium Keeley are just so gorgeous right now. The pinks in the middle are so pretty. This one's like one of my really old, it's like all falling over, as you can tell. Look at all the branches in there are just like aged. This is probably, I got it in 2016. I got that one. So I love it like that, but it looks like it's falling over. I have to repot that one. Maybe I'll put that one in its own pot so I can put it deeper in the soil. If you guys have any questions about anything in my garden, names, anything like that, go ahead and leave me a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I am going to be doing giveaways soon. I just need to get everything cleaned up back here and see what I'm going to send for cuttings. And I'll do a video on that as well. That is all for now, my friends. I will talk to you all in the next video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. And I will talk to you all soon. Bye.